Now let's create a parameterized constructor within a base class, say accepting some number as a parameter, and let's print parameter within the console. Parameter is plus the parameter. Now we have a scenario where derived class has a default constructor and base class has a parameterized constructor. Now what will happen in this scenario, since the object B within main is responsible for the base class as well as the derived class. Let's try to run the program and see the result. As soon as you try to run the program, there is a build error, and you can see that there is an error. Let's try to read that error. We'll copy it. So the error is there is no argument given that corresponds to required formal parameter no of a dot a, which is of type integer. It means that whenever it is trying to create the object of this derived class, it found that there is a parameterized constructor in a base class and you haven't provided a parameter for it. And since you haven't provided a parameter for it, it gives an error. But since the constructor of the derived class doesn't need any parameter, how to solve this problem? Just explicitly call the constructor of the base class by specifying colon and base keyword and provide the parameter input. So this way you can call the base class constructor explicitly after the constructor of derived class. So let's save and run the program and see the output. The output is as expected, that is base class constructor parameter is 10, derived class constructor hello and hi. So this way the situation for the parameterized constructor in base class and default constructor in derived class is handled. Stay tuned. Thanks.